Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we'll be talking about key differences between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these two terms, AI and ML, are often used interchangeably. And let's see what are the major differences. When it comes to scope and objective, AI tries to create machines that can copy human intelligence. So copy is very important here, that's the keyword. And with ML, it focuses on developing algorithms that can improve by learning from data. So the typical programming that we do, we create a program, we run it, and we get the output in the form of data. But in case of ML, data is fed as input to ML algorithms. It learns from it, it fine-tunes it, and it gives updated code. So that's a key difference between your regular programming and ML. Let's move ahead and understand differences between AI and ML when it comes to data. AI systems may not require large amount of data, whereas when it comes to ML heavily depends on data for training and improving algorithms. Okay, and when it comes to decision making, AI systems can make decisions based on logic and rules. So the logic and rules are inbuilt in the system. And when it comes to ML systems make decisions based on patterns which it learns from the data. Lastly, when it comes to human intelligence, AI strives to replicate human-like cognitive functions like reasoning, understanding, and problem solving. Whereas ML primarily deals with pattern recognition and predictive analysis, and that too based on historical data. So that's it in this lecture where we briefly discussed the differences between AI and ML which are used often interchangeably. So thank you, see you in the next lecture. Bye.